This is my first video for unboxing. I bought a hair clipper. This is my first hair clipper. I wanted to buy hair trimmer or clipper during the lockdown, so we do not need to go outside. But when I go to the Amazon, I found there are many options available, but I like the wahl company's hair clipper. Wahl is a US based company which is actually 100 years company building the product. But unfortunately, when I checked the reviews on Amazon, I found there are so many reviews that are confusing actually. People are saying it's fake, don't buy it. Some are saying that they received the broken package from Amazon. So I thought let's make a reviews about it, like what's the reality behind it. Actually, story behind to buy clipper is like it's lockdown in India due to the COVID-19, and I want to have the first haircut for my 8-month-old daughter. She just turning 9 months, and this is going to be her first haircut. Everyone is saying that we need to have a haircut from the barber, but I don't want to take any risk, so I just thought let's go and buy the hair clipper or trimmer for it. Okay, so that's it actually. Let's check it out how it looks. The packaging seems to be good. It is not broken or something, so let's find it out. It's really hard to cut it down. And here we go. I got just small. I cut my thumb. And here is a stamp of that thumb. Let me come back. Accident happened. No, it's okay. So I got, this is the bill of it actually. I received it, amount is 2,965. That's a net amount, but after tax and everything I got it for 3,499. It's like 3,500. Oh man, gosh. I will come back. I'm back again. So I cut down my thumb accidentally. I put it under the running tap water. The blood is gone now, and applied some turmeric. So it's old traditional remedy, home remedy. It's good to be like Ayurveda. Okay, so let's check like how the box look like. So it seems to be not broken, but it's not sealed back from the behind. So I guess it's open or not, I don't know, but it seems to be open actually. Maybe it might be possible like due to the pressure it's broken. Actually we should not open this way, but yeah, it was broken, so we just open it. Okay, so this empty box now. I think that what we received in this, this is a wahl company, and it's documentation, user manual, and it's going to be yellow due to my hand. It's okay. Okay, so put I here. This one is calm. Okay, look like good one. Let's put it here. This is warranty card. It's coming from the company, but it's a 2-year warranty valid from date of purchasing. Okay, the main interesting part what we received in here. Wow, this is heavy one. Oh my god. And look at this cable, it's really strong and it's also long cable. Okay, so this is clipper. It's look heavy. It's almost, I guess, 1 kg or more than that. Wow, it's too much heavy. I guess it will be really hard for a baby to trim it. It must be for professional use, but it's okay, we will try. I hope our baby, that is my daughter, should cooperate with us, otherwise it's maybe the wrong choice. Okay, and we also received some attachment. So those are the hair guider, I guess. Let's use scissors to cut it down. I should not cut my hand this time. Oh, this scissor is also not okay. And the blood is everywhere. That's not a good thing. Yeah. And we have oil. I guess this oil, it's from same like Wahl Clipper Corporation. It's for like that, oiling the blades. I will remove this one shortly, just hold on. Okay, and we also receive the brush to remove hair from that blades, and we have 6 mm gauge. It's okay, and that's it. Second one we have, first one is 3 mm gauge. We have what's 10 mm. Okay, and we also have 13 mm. So it's a 4 guider attachment to the main machine actually. And here we go. So how to remove this? Okay, so I'll just remove this one. Okay, so play. Okay, I don't see any it's a used one, and I don't see any hairs on it, as other people mentioned they received some used or refabricated product, but I think it's a new product, rather than my blood spilling over the some part. Actually the problem is it's Amazon will not refund it, or it's even there is no replacement warranty, so it's always cautious to buy or not to buy. Okay, so this is a really heavy one. Okay, I guess we should try by switching it on. So let's put it in the board, check it out how it look at this, it's masterpiece. Okay, the wire is also very long. I suppose it should be almost 3 meter. I don't know exactly, but you can guess. Okay, it must be 3 meters. Okay, I will put it on in the switch and we'll check how it behaves. I put it in the on switch because this one is wired one. It work on the electricity. This is not battery one. So let's check it out. Wow. True. Very nice. It's very strong. That's it. Good. So look at this now. So it's a wall super tapper. It has this on switch. We can on it and off it. It also has this slider, so if you want to change the haircut style, if you can rotate it like this or like this, so it will be like slide that blades forward or backward. Okay, so okay, let's check it out. Like I also received some of the comments in Amazon, like it does a really noise and vibration is too high. So yeah, I think it's like having the really strong vibration. So but when I search or the like other information, I see there is one switch that is like if you move it or maybe like move it clockwise or anti-clockwise, this vibration goes away or increase. So let's check it out how this work. I will switch off this and show you like how does that work. So let's take this cutter knife and try to switch it clockwise and check like sound, and wow, that's really good sound, and vibrating like a hell. So I switch it off. I tight screw somewhat more and let's check it out again. Wow, it's the noise gone, completely gone, and vibration is also gone. It's so much stable now. Wow, I guess we can use this screw to adjust however we want. Let's check it more and tight it further, and it's completely done now. There is no room to tighten it more. Wow, it's awesome. There is not a small vibration now. It's so much. Even you will not notice like it's running or not. So it's switch off, switch on, and not single vibration I can say, but not much more vibration. When noise is completely gone, it's so much silent now. You can move it like back and forth. Okay, awesome. I guess I can remove this and oil that sometimes. So that's it. I guess it's worth buying. It's really a strong, heavy and stable one. I will use it first time actually. So I guess I should try on me first before the baby, and if possible I can shoot that video and let you know how it goes. Okay, thank you. There is no obligation to subscribe or like this video, and there is also no obligation to ring my bell, that notification bell. But if you think someone is taking the effort to spread the awareness and information, I guess you can support the whatever way you would like. If you have any questions, comments, and if you would like to know like how my thumbs, is it well or is it bad now, you can comment. Thank you so much.